Hi, we are the team at Discover Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Darren.
I'm Dr. Stephanie.
I'm Dr. Carmen, and we're going to tell you more about the Gonstead spinal analysis.
The first step of the Gonstead analysis is visualization, and it begins when the patient first walks into the door. Right now, we are observing the patient's posture from the back. What we are looking for is any difference in the shoulder height, hip height, as well as any curve in the spine.
The second component of the Gonstead analysis is instrumentation. What we do here is we use this equipment called the nervoscope to look for any heat differences along the spine that may indicate to us the potential problem causing you your pain.
Static palpation is the third component of the Gonstead analysis. So what I'll be doing now is to feel for any localized temperature change, to see if I have any swelling or pain when I touch the spine.
Motion palpation is the fourth component of the Gonstead analysis. It is a skill that requires the most time and effort for a chiropractor to develop in order to feel the motion of a bone.
X-ray is the last piece of puzzle we need before we perform any adjustment on the patient. So these are some examples why X-ray is so important. The first case here. So this patient has a condition we call a degenerative spondylolisthesis, and that basically means that the L4 has actually shifted quite a lot forward compared to the L5 due to severe wear and tear. So on to the next case.
The second example I'll be showing is called a congenital block vertebrae. What it is basically two supposedly individual vertebrae that are fused together, but they are ideally supposed to be separate.
The third example is sacralization. Normally, there's 5 lumbar vertebrae, but in this case, there's only 4, as the fifth is fused with the tailbone.
Based on the examples that we've shown, I hope you guys understand the importance of X-ray for us before we do any adjustment. To see is to know, not to see is to guess, and we wouldn't want to guess the condition of your spine.
Thanks for being with us today. We hope you learned something new.
The link to our socials are in the description box down below. Comment if you have any questions or let us know what you'd like to hear from us next.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember to share to your friends and family, and we'll see you soon.
Bye!